Hey guys, okay, so I wanted to show you real quick a new box that I've been getting. The box isn't new, it's been around for a while, but I just started getting it, so it's new to me. I've been getting it for about maybe, I want to say around 3 to 5 months now. It's called Allure Beauty Box, and it's not a big box. It's about the size of BoxyCharm, maybe not quite as thick though. Um, anyway, so I wanted to open it up. Oh, and there's my new purse. Do you guys see it? Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's in the color lilac, I think it's called. It's really pretty. I'm like in love with that purse, you guys. Okay, anyway, back to the box. Okay, so I've already taken the tape, cut the tape so it's easy to open. And then you open it up and it says hashtag Allure Beauty Box. And then, of course, you have their little book in here, and it's just got, I'm assuming that this is this is all of the items that come in the box. And I think, yeah, there's pricing on there, so we'll get to that in just a minute. I also get a $20 gift card for Bubble Bar Jewelry. See her earrings? They specialize in making unique jewelry, so quite expensive. It looks like yarn, but I don't know. I've never heard of them, never used them or whatever, but anyway, that's that. And then usually everything comes in the bag, but sometimes they can't fit everything. You get this nice little makeup bag, and it's always different every month, kind of like Ipsy. You know how Ipsy sends you the little makeup bags? This is kind of like that, but these bags are more durable. They don't have like cute designs and all that kind of stuff. These are more what's the word, travel worthy. Like you could just throw your cosmetics or your toiletries in these. You could even use these out at the beach or something like that, because a lot of them are plastic, or that's vinyl, so kind of waterproof, I guess. So the first item, and this one isn't in the bag, I guess they couldn't get it to fit in there, I don't know, but it's SGX NYC, and this is the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. These are usually full size, but this probably is not. This is a travel size, and you get 1 ounce. Let's go to the book and see how much that one is. And I don't know if these are in the order. Nope, they're not in the order that I'm bringing them out in, so yeah. Okay, and this one's on the very back. That's funny. Okay, so this is dry shampoo meets hairspray. Gives you the ingredient list and all that good stuff. I thought it would give you the price, because all the other ones have like the retail value. This one does not, so I don't know what this one's worth. I guess because the retail value would be on the full size. This is a small travel size, so anyway, don't know what it's worth. Oh, and the box usually costs me $10 a month plus tax. It comes out to like $10.83. And then I got in here, I got this little thing, a little card in there. It's just, I guess it's advertisements, or it looks like codes to get money off of certain products for summertime. So, all right, let's open up this bag if I can with one hand. All right. There we go. I'll turn it around. Yes, you guys, holding the camera and doing this is not easy, but I did it. Yay. Okay, so I'm just going to dump everything out and remove the bags so that we can just easily get to the products in there. So I'm not going to go through this book, and we're going to go one by one according to what's in the book. So the first one's going to be the Brow Gal eyebrow pencil, which I already have one of these actually, and I love, love, love it. The price is $23, and you can get it at thebrowgal.com. If you enter Allure 19 at checkout, you receive 10% off your entire order. This is valid from June 1st through August 31st. So, hey, take advantage of that, you guys. I'm not, that is not an affiliate code or nothing. I will not receive anything from that, but you will. You will receive money off. Okay, so looks like it has a built-in sharpener on it, which that is awesome. The one that I have does not have that. This is a different one. It also has a spoolie underneath that sharpener. So that's a spoolie at one end, or maybe the spoolie at that end. I don't know. But there it is. It doesn't say what color. Let me see if I can find. There we go. Medium brown. Okay. So that's that. The next product is going to be this. See here, it's the Moroccan oil. It's a Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. So this goes in your hair. It's to help with frizziness and stuff like that. It retails for $44. You can get this at Sephora. Oh my goodness, this stuff looks very expensive, and that's the 0.34 ounces for 44 bucks. Wow, this little bottle right here, you guys, 44 bucks. Oh, this is sample, but I don't know how big the one is that's 44. Then maybe you get more for your money. I would hope so, because that's a tiny little bitty bottle. But anyway, can't wait to try that out. Next up, we're gonna look at the Avene. It looks like some kind of thermal spray. Let's see here. Yep, thermal spring water is what this is. You get 1.6 fluid ounces. And it says here that it's hydrating facial mist. It's rich in minerals to nourish your sensitive skin. And it retails for $18.50. You can get it at AvenueUSA.com. I keep wanting to say Avenue, but it's not an Avenue. Avene. Okay, and then I'm missing something because it didn't look like the picture. Huh. But it's in a box. That's why. Oh, gotta love it. Got to love it. Okay, so while I try to open this box, I'll let you guys take a look at this. This is what we're getting here. This is Floss Lip Gloss, and it retails for $16. You can get it at flosscosmetics.com. And again, if you enter Allure 15 at checkout, you receive 15 off of your purchase. So here we go. Here's the lip gloss. I am not one for lip gloss. I'll probably put this in a giveaway, you guys, or give it to my daughters or granddaughters, something of that nature. I'm just not a big lip gloss person. Okay, and then last but not least is this Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Now this I could really use. Okay, so it says, she says she just squeezes out a drop and pats it over her 3 p.m. concealer. It's $35. You can get it at contextskin.com. Enter Allure 25 at checkout and receive 25% off of your entire order. So this is it. We got like 0.5 ounces here. So yeah, I might try this out right now, you guys. I gotta go run some errands and get some stuff from the store, grab a bite to eat. I got up early this morning, like around 4 a.m. with my fiance because he had to go to work. And I got up with him and saw him off, and then I went and washed my car. There was nobody in line at the car wash, right? Because it's like 4 a.m. Went and washed my car and came back home, and I've been just kind of cleaning and doing some little DIY projects around here. Did I say? Yeah, DIY. And so, just getting things done around here. But I'm about to go eat because it's lunchtime and grab some things from the grocery store for dinner tonight. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I love you, I love you, I love you. I cannot wait to get my YouTube channel really up and going again. I still don't have a place to really film except for my living room here. And that's where I pretty much spend all my time, is in the living room area. There's a window over there, and I would show you my face today, but guys, I have my hair pulled up, I have no makeup on, and yeah, so that's not gonna happen. Anyway, I hope you guys have a lovely Saturday. I love you all to pieces. Be good to yourself and each other, guys. Bye.